Step 1. Check accessories. Step 2. Assemble Xmas tree. Do not tighten the screws. Leave some space for inserting the tree trunk. Insert part B into the base. Tighten all screws to keep the tree straight and stable. Insert part A into part B. Step 3. Connecting light strings. Tips: screw the plastic knobs to ensure a secure fit. Step 4. Adjust all branches. Branches parallel to the ground to get the best shape. Lights change automatically.